Happy Halloween guys, 2024, and for this episode, mag-unbox lang ako ng mga Funko Pops na pang Halloween. Let's start off with this guy, Scott Howard. Okay, Teen Wolf, yung movie ni Michael J. Fox. Okay, so naging siyang werewolf, but you know, nagpe-play siya ng basketball. So matagal ko na to nabili, not sure ko anong year, but I did buy this kasi idol yan si Michael J. Fox. At the same time, basketball. And that's my number one sport, favorite sport. Yung second na i-unbox ko, by the way, tatlong pops yung i-unbox ko. And ito naman, easy buy. Okay, so nung lumabas to, we just had to get the set. And for some reason, nung time na to, tinopak ako, bumili ako ng multiples nito. Okay? Because si Sheldon Cooper, siya yung main character sa Big Bang Theory, which is probably yung pinaka-favorite namin ng wife kong comedy TV series of all time. Okay? That's still debatable, but really, sobrang ang hirap talunin itong Big Bang Theory. Sobrang natuwa ako. May price pa nga dito. I'll show you later. The Flash. Actually, set siya. Pero hindi ko bubuksan yung iba kasi wala na akong extra copies ng iba. I think I just want one set to have it sealed for now. And finally, ang last kong i-unbox na Funko Pop is si Trece. If you guys don't know Trece yet, yung mga hindi pa nanood ng Netflix na cartoons ni Trece, si Trece yung pumapatay ng mga aswang. Para siyang si Keanu Reeves, yung sa movie na Constantine. Also, this is I'm a Philbars exclusive. And Alexandra Trece. Okay? Okay guys, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's unbox it right now. Nakaano pa siya. Bose protector. So this is Pop Movies 772. Side, back, okay, full moon, and open. Yo, no? Nice. Solid to. So, nakalagay is Beavers. Ilawan natin so we can see it better. Yan. Beavers 42. So, ka-number nito si Jerry Stackhouse. So, kung may konting imperfection sa pop, makikita natin siguro sa paint job lang katulad nito sa ball. Konti lang, very minimal. Wala sa mukha, wala. So, pretty happy about that. That's pretty much it. Okay na siya. Cool. Tingnan natin if it's easy to stand. Wala naman nito. Yeah, okay naman. Not bad. Eto, excited na ako buksan to. Si Sheldon Cooper as The Flash. Okay? May sticker siya. This is the 2019 Summer Convention Limited Edition Exclusive. Okay? This is yung parang shared sticker. Merong mas high-end na sticker than this. But still, same pop. O sa sticker lang talaga nakakatalo and sa value. Anyway, let's open this now. Yung mga pops talaga na nabili ko before, halos lahat binibilihan namin ng ng Bose protector. Nung huli na lang yung hindi kasi nagiging sobrang gastos na. 1,200 siya. Tapos baka nabili ko ng 1,000. I'm not sure, hindi ko na maalala. But I did buy multiple copies of this kasi ito nga talaga favorite namin si Sheldon. So, let's unbox. Guys, hindi na ako gagamit ng ruler sa sa mga boxes ng ng Funko. As is na to yung mga boxes, okay? Kasi again, not planning to resell yung mga Funko unless sobrang kailangan ko talaga ng pera. Bebenta ko na yan. Okay? So now, I'm gonna keep the toys. Ganda nito. Ganda. Look at this. And pretty decent, pretty clean sa mga paint job niya. I love that meron siyang trophy. Sobrang ano talaga to si Sheldon eh. So, oh wow, cool. So makikita nyo, it's just a mask. Ito yung hair ni Sheldon. And what's happening here? Hindi ko maalalang may tali yan dyan. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's funny. Okay. So, let's, I think we can move the heads naman, di ba? Usually, yan lang naman nagagawa sa Funko eh. So, yeah. Move the heads. Pretty cute. Okay? Cute figure. This one naman, we can move the head din actually. But, restricted dahil sa ball. Yan, sobrang dikit. So, I'm just gonna tell you guys, right off the bat, ang bigat nito. Sobrang bigat nito. It's like twice the weight of Sheldon. Nakakagulat So I guess because of, you know, yung mold, yung hair niya gives it the extra weight, but it is significantly heavier, this one. And finally, si Alexandra 13. Look at that. Ganda na artwork sa likod. Oh. Oo. Tabi-tabi po. Cool touch. Tabi-tabi po. Happy Halloween. And yan na. Oh, this one. Dati hindi ko chine-check. Ngayon, chine-check ko na parate. Meron siyang stand. Yan yung dagger niya. Pampapatay ng mga halimaw. Mga aswang. And really gives you that Constantine vibes, no? Astig. Parang may pagka-Matrix pa nga yung vibes nito eh. And yung buhok niya, ang kulit. Tapos, the pop itself is super light. Out of the 3 pops, siya pinaka-magaan. Out of these 3, or maybe halos same tong dalawa. Hindi nga lang siya masyadong, medyo wobbly siya. So, it's not super stable. Hindi katulad ni Sheldon. Sabay mahuhulog eh, no? Yan, si Sheldon medyo stable. And this one, magiging stable na to kasi may kasama na siyang stand. Yan, may acrylic stand. So that's it for this short video. If you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe. That will greatly help the channel out. And thank you very much in advance. Also, enjoy your chocolates, enjoy your candies na mga nakuha sa trick or treat. Stay safe kasi umuulan kanina. And also enjoy your Halloween parties, your costume parties, and whatnot. I'll see you again on my next video. Thanks again. Bye!